Can you comment on why the revenues decreased during Q3?
Well, first of all, having a negative growth is definitely not satisfactory for a company like Vigmed. We are a growth company and we do expect to see significant growth. Now, that being said, Q3 of last year, we did see some significant stock building with our distributors in order to get ready for launch of our Switch products. Secondly, we did see some of our distributors falling short on sales in Q3. And of course, we are looking into how we can remedy that in Q4 and onwards.
Can you elaborate why Vigmed has decided to phase out the activities in Europe for injection product Swing?
The short answer is we do not see a commercially viable solution for Swing in Europe. When we decided to launch Swing, we knew that we had a quite narrow window of opportunity given the new legislation in 2013. And the fact is we simply missed that window. And we missed it due to the fact that the equipment we needed or our supplier needed to manufacture our products were delayed quite significantly. Of course, this was a quite tough decision for us to make. However, we felt that it is more viable for us to focus on other parts of our portfolio in Europe.
Vigmed has signed an exclusive distribution agreement with Vygon for the UK and Ireland. What are the pros and cons with such an agreement?
Well, it has taken us quite a while to land the agreement with Vygon, and we basically only see pros in this agreement. Vygon is the leading player within arterial use, and they also used to have a significant position within IV catheters prior to the safety regulations, and they still have all the network and all the channels available, so we do actually expect to see a quicker than normal pickup of sales in the UK. Some might say that the fact that Vygon has a competing technology within the arterial segment is a con. We actually see it as a synergistic effect.
Can you give us an update on your tender activities?
Our tender activities is one of the most focused areas of our efforts, and we have actually won, or our distributors have won, more than 10 tenders during the first 3 quarters of 2016. However, we still need to win big tenders, and this is where we are still struggling a bit. Those we have lost, we have mainly lost on price, and we are on a steep learning curve. We are getting much more clever on the pricing, and we can see that our bids become more and more competitive. We can also see that the number of minor tenders that we win are actually picking up also during Q4.
What will be your focus areas going forward?
Well, first and foremost, winning tenders. That is the name of the game. It's about 85% of our business potential. And especially the big tenders, of course. Secondly, we do have 2 product lines which are more niche-oriented, meaning that they are not normally tender material. That is our Switch line, and that's our Clip Neo line for neonatal patients. And here it's about winning accounts. So our distributors are focusing very much on going out and introducing the products to new accounts, because we do have quite significant sales points, unique sales points for these 2 product lines. Last but not least, of course, we have focus on cost and our cash flow given the current situation.